Okay, you guys, welcome back to DAT Family 5. How y'all doing today? Today is a marvelous day. It is almost Thursday. This is going out on Thursday, the 17th, which is St. Patrick's Day. And so we are, go ahead and get that started. I am part of a collab, and it's my collab this time. So I am hosting along with Sierra from Just Me and Sierra and Wanda from the Amachi tribe, and we are doing our family favorite dishes. And so my family favorite dish from me, not from my husband, from me is my shepherd's pie. And so that's what I am doing today. And I really hope that y'all enjoy this footage, and I really hope that y'all enjoy this content enough to join the family, okay, if you haven't joined already. So let me show y'all what we got. Here's the receipt here, and I only spent $13.77 on it. And yes, I'll be right back. Why don't you get it by now? You guys, and happy Pi Day. I do want to remind y'all to go ahead and click the subscription box below, and I would also like to invite you to like this video, and I would also like to invite you to comment down below who you are and where you're from in the world and what you're doing while you are watching our collab playlist. Okay, don't forget to go over to the playlist and show some love to all my divas. And if you're coming over from one of their channels, welcome to DAT Family 5. We are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. And yeah, let's go ahead and continue with this footage. I hope y'all enjoy. And guess what? Happy Pi Day, y'all. So we're making shepherd's pie on Pi Day. Yes. Okay. Bye, y'all. Well, stay tuned. Don't leave yet. Don't leave just yet. Okay. All right, so real quick, we got some 2 1/4 or 2 1/4 pound of 80 lean, 2 fat, 20 fat ground beef, and that was $8.99, $8.98. We got some brown gravy mix, we got some mashed potatoes, and then we got some sweet garden peas and some sweet corn. All right. So we're going to get started on the ground beef, and we're going to get started on the ground beef, and the gravy is what we're going to get started on. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my
not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end, it don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gon' leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good.
Okay, you guys, this video is about to come to a close. Don't forget to go down into the description box and click the playlist for our favorite dishes. And this is my shepherd's pie. You see how delicious it looks, and I'm gonna show y'all the end of it. As always, we are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank you for spending your time with us, because time is precious, and y'all have a blessed day. See you on the tube, y'all.
You wanna say, damn, and yeah, you know what's up.